love cats? Do you enjoy having them in your home? Do you want to help your children learn how to take care of them even better? Then this book, My First Kitten, is the perfect way to help your children learn about how to take care of their first pet. This is a simple and easy to understand book that tells a story about a little girl who wants to adopt a cat. And so her mom wants to make sure that she knows how to take care of that cat by getting it all the supplies it needs. But first, figuring out what cat you want to get from the pet store, or the adoption center, I should say. So she decides which one she wants, and her mom wants to make sure that she definitely understands how to care for that new little kitty. This shows the supplies that little kitty needs, as well as how it adjusts to the other animal in the house, the little puppy, giving a little scratching post. So you're not only getting a little story about it, but also teaching your little ones how to care for a new pet. So if you'd like to help your little one learn the best ways to care for a new kitten, this is the best book for you, and all for only $9.99.